Hey guys, Dr. Berg here. In this short video, we're going to talk about the difference between whole wheat bread and white bread. Is there a difference? Well, let's first talk about the glycemic index. That's the scale on how fast these foods turn into sugar and raise your blood sugars, okay? Basically, they're almost identical. There really is no difference. They're both highly glycemic, so they actually turn into sugar pretty fast. And they also will increase the bad cholesterol. So that's one thing. So when people tell you, oh yeah, have whole wheat, it's very low in the glycemic index, it's really not. It turns into sugar pretty fast. The thing about whole wheat, because it has more stuff in it and it's less refined, sometimes they have to put more preservatives in there too to make it last longer, or mold will set in, or bugs will come in to start to set in there. So that's another problem. And then also, both of these things have gluten. And gluten is the protein in wheat that really destroys the intestines and gives you all sorts of types of illnesses like celiac and diverticulitis and Crohn's and all these digestive inflammatory conditions. So gluten is highly inflammatory, and it can affect your joints, arthritis, and especially your gut right here. Also, whole wheat has phytic acid. Phytic acid is a chemical that prevents the absorption of minerals, calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron. All these minerals that are supposedly in that wheat bread are going to be blocked. So if you were going to eat bread, Ezekiel bread is a lot better. That's a sprouted bread. So at least that gets rid of this. It has less gluten, and it's actually a little lower on the glycemic index. Even though I don't recommend it, I mean, if you're going to have some occasionally, it's a lot better. Ezekiel bread, you can find it at any grocery store in the frozen section, but it's a sprouted bread. Okay. Now, as far as the nutrition profile, even the whole wheat bread, what happens is they grind it into flour, and that flour has to sit on the shelf. And within 6 days, you lose a lot of the nutrition. So unless you're going to grind the bread yourself and make the bread, chances are the nutrition profile is not as high as you think. All right? Yeah, and as a side note, if you enjoy these videos, if you're getting benefit from these videos that I'm doing, I really appreciate you clicking the link below and leaving me a unbiased review on Google+. So click the link below and just share what you think about the videos and how it's helped you. Thank you so much.